Hi, welcome to Brain Equation. In today's video, we are going to solve the question e power x power 2 minus 1 is equal to x, and we need to calculate x. So I'm going to write down the question. E x square minus 1 is equal to x. Now we know there is a very well-known rule that if we have a m minus n, we can write a m over a n. We can write the powers in this form and these powers in this form. So we can write these powers. Here I am going to use this property e x square over e1 is equal to x. So in the next step we have e power x square is equal to x over, we can write e1 as simple e. Now multiplying on both sides by e power minus x square. Multiplying by e minus x square on both sides. So what we will get? We will write e minus x square times e x square over e is equal to x times e minus x square. So in the next step we can combine them. We can write them as e x square minus x square over e is equal to x times e minus x square. This will cancel out and we will left with e power 0 over e is equal to x times e minus x square. So e power 0 is equal to 1 over e is equal to x times e minus x square. So, or we can arrange them. We can write x times e power minus x square can be written as 1 power e. Now we want to use the Lambert W function here. So in order to use the Lambert W function, we know that if we have the expression of the form a times e power a, so the coefficient is the power of the base e. So we can apply Lambert W function here and we will get a. So we want to create same form here. So in order to create same form, we will square both sides by squaring on both sides. When we will square, we will write ex minus x square whole square is equal to 1 over e whole square. We can write as x times this square will give square times e minus 2x square is equal to, this will become 1 over e square. Now multiply by minus 2 on both sides, but we will get minus 2 x square times e minus 2 x square is equal to, this we can write e power minus 2 times minus 2. So by arranging them, we can write 2x square times e minus 2x square is equal to, we can write 2 minus 2 e minus 2. So by applying Lambert W function on both sides, we will apply Lambert W function. what we will get, minus 2x square times e power minus 2x square is equal to Lambert W function minus 2 e power minus 2. So here we will get, this is our a, this is our a, here this is a, this is a. So we will get here 2x square is equal to minus 2 here minus 2. So by dividing on both sides by minus 2x square over minus 2 is equal to minus 2 over minus 2. So this will cancel out. We will get x square is equal to 1, or we will take square root on both sides. We will get x is equal to plus or minus 1, and x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to minus 1. So now we need to check. We need to check our both values. Now for check, we need equation e power x square minus 1. Now we will use first of all this value. We will plug in the value here is equal to x. So we have e 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1. So here e 1 square is 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So here e is equal to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Both are 1. So this value is okay. So for the second value, for x is equal to 2, we will write minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Here we will get 1 minus 1 square is 1. So we will write minus 1. So e 1 minus 1 will give 0. It is equal to minus 1. It is equal to 1. It is equal to minus 1. So these are not equal. So we are going to reject this value. Rejected. This value is rejected. X square minus x2 minus 1 is rejected. So our required value is x is equal to 1. This is our required value. This is our answer. So that's all about this question. Don't forget these steps. These steps are important to solve this question. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video. Bye.